What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is week 15 in the monetization quest, and I have some exciting news for you this week. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so here we have the analytics for the past 7 days. And if you've been hanging around for a while, you may already be seeing that we have had quite a jump in the number of views from the previous few weeks. So we had 671 total views this week, and that's a 227% increase from the previous week. And pretty much all of those views came from one new short that we posted last week. So we have 14.2 watch time hours in this past week, which was 54% jump from the previous week as well. And another 5 subscribers. Yay! I'm very excited to be sticking with that flow of almost one a day for right now and hoping that that will continue growing. And so, yeah, we had 572 shorts views in the past 7 days, which means we only have 9,999,428 more shorts views to go. But, this is exciting. This is a big jump. So we still have a long ways to go, but we're getting there for sure. And I'm very excited to see that people, were interested in that first short because it was really just like a little intro kind of piece. And yeah, so I'm really excited to see how the rest of them will do as we go forward. So let's talk a little bit more about what's been going on in the background. All right. So as I said, we are sticking to our one short per week right now. And so far it's going well. We had a really good response last week. And so we'll put another one out Thursday this week and we'll see how it does. I made a goal for myself last week that I was going to try and get myself to post on Instagram and or Facebook. And I did not. But you know what? I've decided that I'm actually just taking the pressure off on that because I realized that I have some like major resistance around it. And so that's okay. I'm just not going to go down that road until I feel good about it, because that was one of the very first things I learned in the world of content creation and posting on social media, is that you really want to be coming from a good energetic place when you press post or when you publish something. And yeah, I'm just not really interested in going outside of the parameters of that, and posting just because I think I should or because I feel like I have to. I'm going to wait until I can feel good about posting on those platforms and then I'll do it. But I will probably keep putting things, like in my own little group on Facebook. And I'm actually working on another platform. So I use Kajabi, which you may have seen videos on my channel about that. I use Kajabi to basically run my entire business, for my website, my course, and my clients and all of that stuff. And they have their own community platform. They work with Vibely. And so I am currently working on getting that going, and I'm probably going to be beta testing it soon. So keep an eye out for that if you might be interested in some supportive community space around things like mind, body, wellness, spiritual development, conscious entrepreneurship, all the same stuff I'm always talking about on here. So that's coming. And then I will be really looking forward to posting my content in that community space as well. So 2 other things that have been kind of going on in the background. I created on Notion a database for an audience growth tracker. So now I am kind of using that to set goals for myself and to track my audience numbers, my follower count, and all that kind of stuff for the various different platforms that I'm on, and just kind of keeping it all organized in one place. So I'm really excited about it. It's been a really nice kind of practice to go in there once a week and just like update my stats and have a look at everything and really seeing how, my output is supporting that growth. So if you're interested in that, say something in the comments below if you want me to show you my audience tracker or share that Notion template or something like that with you guys. I'd be happy to do that. And the other piece, a little piece of good news is just this morning, I got an email from Benable saying that I earned a little bit of cash back on one of my lists on there. So I've talked about them a handful of times now on this series, and using Benable as it's an affiliate marketing platform because you can earn this cash back, but it's also kind of just a listicle almost type thing where you can build these lists sort of like Pinterest, but a lot more in depth. And yeah, and you can link people to all kinds of things. So I've been using that to post my own content inside of these recommendations and resource lists that I create for my clients and anyone else who's interested in all of the things that I study and explore and work with. And so, yeah, but very exciting when cashback comes through on that. I'm hoping that will continue to grow and that I will find new ways to publish my content on those lists so they can keep getting found. I think that's all for this week. I will put links below in case you're interested in looking into Benable or if you're interested in creating one of your own. And I will be back again in another 7 days to let you know how things are going. Thank you, as always, for liking, commenting, and sharing. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and join this little community and continue to watch the journey with us. All right, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.